Hello, and I'm back. I'm going to be doing Pixelmon episode 3. Last episode was 13 minutes, I do believe now. So we're getting up in the episode. What the heck? I have no idea what to expect from that. Oh, I forgot to take my Pokemon, but yeah, it works. Okay, so get my red apricorns, nearly getting there. Get harvest these. Oh man, getting out from there. Boom. Fail. But no. Let's get the healer. Healer Charmeleon. Charmeleon. I love my Charmeleon. Because he knows Dragon Rage. Such an OP thing. Pidgeotto, let's try us. I don't care if you're a higher level than me. Damn it. And you're so close to being dead. 33. That was actually a pretty close battle, like really, really close. Just because I'm too lazy. Oh, like a boss. Just run, jump down, boom. So level 17 Charmeleon, that's pretty damn good. That makes his dead. That was a pretty good hit. I'm proud of you, Charmeleon. Sorry about that recording issues, but I am back now. Okay, so how much total experience? I need 572 experience to the next one. So, yeah. I'm getting there. I'll get a level 18 Charmeleon. Got pretty big stuff. And, yeah, hopefully we can find a boss or two to battle. I'll be flogged by that Haunter. That's why I want to catch it. Dragon Rage. One more kill and then damn it. Well, anyway, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna try to fix that. And I am back. Sorry about that. I just reconnected to see if that would fix that glitch out. It says I'm over there. Over there. F8 mode. Sucks, but oh. Check my farm. Hurry up. God's sake. Something's dying. And something's dying fast. Okay, so my Charmeleon's fainted. My level 19? The heck? I thought it was level 18. Yeah. Look at this, I don't keep falling through. That Numa. I'm come back for revenge. Yes, level 20. Man. I shouldn't have. As soon as I get my farm going, it's gonna be going fast. Because as soon as it's like. I'll be right back. I'm gonna set something. Okay, I've nearly got enough for, damn it, I've nearly got enough for a, great ball. I just need one more red ball, I need one red apricorn, and then I can make a great ball. But I've got to make sure I don't waste it, because I'll have to wait a fair bit longer. Just using there, got 9 white, great white balls, white apricorns. 1 sec. I'm gonna search which needs white apricorns. Cooked white. Okay, they use for a fair bit of ones, but not like master balls or anything, because you can't make master balls, but you can get them from bosses. But they are very rare drops, and they are very hard to beat the bosses. Okay, my Charmeleon is level 20, and needs another 16 levels, and then it can be a Charizard, and I can fly around on my Charizard. Okay, yeah, I'm getting there. Not too long on that. It's like, I wonder what you use with King Capricorns. So, trade machine. Okay, have a look at that. I was gonna battle that anyway, but meh. Beat it. Graveler. Let's battle. But damn it, Rock's super effective against. Damn it! So close. As soon as I start getting a nice... Oh, nearly there! Yes, I only need a couple flowers. I should probably create some things like furnace. Create a furnace by using cobbles. I'll be right back. And I'm back, so I paused the video so you probably wouldn't have noticed the difference. Okay, so we've got 4 furnaces. We can place that. I like it like that. I'm gonna place one in here. Start cooking new. Get my other blue apricot, then some one there for that. There's that bauxite, some bauxite. Then use one on that. And I also need to put one there and one there. That's for the lid for my great ball. I'll make one. I know I'm going to, but it might take a while. I accidentally place another. Oh, looks like I've got another white apricot. And all I need is black apricot. And then I get black and another one. I'll quickly check. To make an ultra ball. Okay, so one sec, I'm just... Oh, I need yellow and black. I don't have a... I think I've got one actually in here. I swear I had one. Nah. Checking that, take that, checking that, take that, checking that, take that, checking that, take that. So now I'm just waiting for that red apricot. Well, I'll be right back and leave this idling for the apricorns. Okay, I'm back and it hasn't really been building. So anyway, let's make the most of that and go level up my Charmeleon. Of course, another starter Pokemon. I'm just trying to get some levels. I suppose I saw a Apricorn like right near here. Just like warm. I saw just saw it again. I'm just like warm. But maybe you're dead. Oh, nice. What a shame. I'm ending your miserable life. Scareface, Growl. This is actually a really fun series, so if you are enjoying it and you are watching it and you've been watching the previous ones, please leave a like. It means a lot to me. A lot to me, because I'm never that popular and I never will be that popular, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with having about 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers would be a big milestone for me. Unlike all the big YouTubers are aiming for like 1 million, which is pretty damn good. I like a lot of them. I watch a lot of YouTubers, I watch a lot of small YouTubers like me. I don't just focus on the big ones like Sandy and this guy's Minecraft and stuff. I focus on little people like me. Well, not little people, like little YouTubers that don't really have that much views and subscribers. A lot of them deserve it. I'm not saying I deserve it, but I put a lot of effort into these videos. I spend a lot of my time in these videos. I've got to do school and stuff as well, so oh, green apricorn. Gonna have a farm of views. Is that an Abra or there's some Pikachus? Holy moly, I love Pikachus. Oh, another, yes! I'm gonna go back and cook these. And if I get that, oh, and that one's going, so that means I can make 2 great balls. Yes. Quickly kick you out and cook you. You shouldn't take you long. Get these wide open ones out. Once this is finished, I'm not wasting. I think I just need to do this. Boom and then bomb and bomb. Yes, I can make 2 great ball lids, but great balls, but at the moment, oh, I've failed a bit my things in here. There's 1 button, I need 2. Oh yeah, I need an anvil. For that I need iron, which I have iron. And I think I need, yeah, I need diamond. I'm gonna take these 2 things out. Come to you. What is remember? Like I need a crafting recipe. And then forgot I needed to do this. Boom, bum, 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 bum. A lot faster. I'm gonna make you. Oh, fair. Like this one, so it'll be. Yes, we've got great ball. Let me go to sleep. I think I'm going pretty good on this series, considering I don't really do survivals. I just like playing around and pick some on. So I'm going pretty good. I might, oh never mind. But if you want this to search Pixel, you'll have to go onto the Tekkit thing. I don't want to Ghastly. I'm just gonna battle it. Oh, they're battling. Which one's gonna win? Which one's gonna lose? Looks like someone's gonna lose. We're witnessing the battle here between the two Ghastlies, and the other one lost. This would be the perfect opportunity. Okay, screw it. I'm on a Ghastly. If I do not catch you, I will be furious. That means I would have wasted a great ball. Yes! We got Ghastly. Level 19 Ghastly. I think that has an evolved form. Searching it now. My favorite side for this is Pokemon. Yes, it turns into Haunter, and then Haunter turns into Gengar. I think you can. At level 25. I thought that might happen. One second, let me check its moveset. Yes, Hypnosis, Spit, no Spite, or Curse. I don't really have any attacking moves, but I'm gonna. Sorry about the background noise. I missed the mime. Yes, Apricorn. I read Apricorn. Quickly helps my thing. Another button really quickly. Damn it, I need one more blue Apricorn. I think I've got one out there. Let's ready? Yep. Sorry about that, but that did fix my voice, I do believe. Do that, take that out, maybe put something like you in. Take the U out. Not fair. Sorry. I'm gonna make some lids. To get that. I've already got a great ball lid. Oh yeah, I already had a great ball lid. Nah. So I just spent a while for no reason. But I've nearly got enough. I've nearly got enough for some more great balls. So I do believe I have enough to make another great ball. Another great ball, yes. Iron base. I'm gonna quickly get rid of these. I'm just getting some cobblestone because I can't believe I've been running. I've got a fair bit of stuff now. And I'll be right back. Sorry about the interruption before, but I'll be right back. once after I quickly harvest my thing. And I'm gonna be right back and let these things grow. Hello, and I am back. As you can see, my apricorns have finished and are ready to. Well, most of them. There's a couple there that aren't ready. Bum bum bum. Damn it, I'm failing. Okay. Meh. Okay, 1 second, I'm checking the Pokédex again. Pokédex. Blast Pain. Oh, some right here. And another thing. Hang on. This. Really, I forgot to retrieve about. So what was I gonna do? Okay, now I've nearly got enough to make a couple more Ultra Balls. I thought it'd be one more. There we go. Okay, we've got a couple more Great Balls. What's going to do with this? Oh, that's friends. I have no idea actually. I think I have some sand in my chest. My chest of custard. Oh my god. I'm going out with my. Pokemon to come in. And drop my item. Drop my range.
Ghastly. Hunter. Charm.
Hunter. Dragon Rage to the face.
Hunter.
Come on, Dragon Rage. Go on.
Hunter.
Level 21, level 22. Sucker Punch, that looks good. Okay, so Ghastly, you're pretty good. You've got a pretty good move. Sucker Punch. Okay, so we can go catch 3 more Pokemon. Let's go have a look. Oh yeah, what I was gonna do. And I go to sleep, and then voila, and then it'll be daytime, and I can go get some sand, and then we can make our very special Pokédex. I like Mr. Mime. They should try catching him. Suck punch, don't kill him. Perfect. Great ball. I think I might have Mr. Mime. Maybe, maybe not. Who cares? I'll go 3 Pokeball. Damn it. Come on, Mr. Mime. I don't want to see all 3 of my Great Balls on you. That would kind of suck for me. I think I might have. I think I might have him. Yep, I got him. Got Mr. Mime. Let's check his moveset. He only knows tackle. He's level 27 and he only knows tackle. I'm detecting something kicking his move. This isn't right. It shouldn't just have tackle. This is the worst Mr. Mime I have ever seen. Damn it. Well, let's send out Mr. Mime on this. He's tackle. Pretty damn good. You know you are. Come on, kill him. Oh, there we go. Let me see. But Mr. Mime's awesome, so I'm not really complaining, but still. And I could not find the things that Mr. Mime's was pretty much useless. So he's probably going to be getting put into my PC if I get some more. I should probably start leveling up my Charmeleon again because I haven't really been using him. My Ghastly's at a higher level than him, so. But one more Great Ball. I'm not afraid to use it. I'm going to go check that other one over here, that red one that I found. I love Growlithe. They're my favourite. You scratch, don't kill him. If you damn it, that was a weak Growlithe. I'm glad I didn't catch it. What the hell are you? Don't kill him. Okay, if I don't catch him, that means I'm gonna rage. Come on. Yes! Holy, that's a pretty damn high level Durafig. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it, so. Moves. Let's get the power swap. Ocean, Psybeam, and Assurance. So that's pretty good. Jericho. Bulbasaur! I'm going back and crafting another Great Ball if I can. Damn it. Let's see a couple more. Damn it. I'm searching for how to make a lot of balls. Okay, so I can make some love balls, which works better with most of mine are. It doesn't tell you. Damn it. I'm just trying to look at what if it's a boy or a girl. But I have no idea, so I'm not sure what these are used in, but they look like they can be useful. I'll need to put one more pink acorn. Hurry up, and then I'm sorry about that, my little sister. Don't get annoying, but okay, love ball discs. I'll be right back after I craft these balls. Well, anyway, I can't make them balls. I can make one, because I need some more iron for iron bases. So I really agree. Yes, I do. So I got a love ball. Okay, I'm gonna run up to someone. Just a gas leak. Okay, mine's. I'm just checking something. Yes. I think mine's a girl. Oh, a flagon. I want one of them. Yes. Don't kill it, don't kill it. If this kills it, I want to kill it, but I don't want to kill it, but I want it to catch. Damn it, got no more. Okay, so that's there. Gotta make sure I'm coming back for you, flagon. Oh god, I'm gonna go into my Charmeleon. Got 4 Pokemon. All cool, great balls apart from my Charmeleon. Voltorb. Just catch that one there. One flying because I can fly around on it. Be like on Charizard and go around I'm sorry about that, my annoying sister. Oh, why did I send that mom to mine? It's pretty powerful. Pretty on flagon. It's suck punch. Okay, I'm just gonna try to run. Come on, let me run. You should let me run. Cause I want to catch you so I can fly around in you. I can do that. I'm going over here and I'm going over there. You'll never know where I am. I'm too good because I'm the gingerbread man. Oh, this is expanding. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go to the... I keep thinking, oh, I'm gonna go to the beach to get sand, but then I just realized I live right next to a desert. I only need 4. Just I need 4 of them, and then I can quickly create a Pokédex, which I'm gonna have to sadly take one of these. I'll replace it later. Boom. I'll need this for my Pokédex. Here, here. You, I do believe. No, I don't need you. I've got everything I need, and I don't need an aluminium plate. One more. Oh wait, I need a lot more glass. I just realised. Because with this, yay. I need 2 more glass. What I was gonna. Damn it. Oh, I need 1 more piece. So as soon as that's finished, I can make me a Pokédex. Pokédex. Okay, yeah, I can finally make a Pokédex. Come over here. Boom, 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 boom. Where'd I put the iron? Don't tell me I put it in the chest. For the love of God, don't tell me I used it. Good. And boom, 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 and boom. I swear that was it. Oh, fell. Wrong way. Yes! We got a Pokédex. We got Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard. Oh, I've got some random ones for some reason. What the heck? Okay, so I've seen Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard says. Ekans, Pikachu, who's Vulpix, Venonat, Venomoth, Diglett, Mankey, Ghastly, Grimer, Slowpoke, Slowbro, Grimer, Ghastly, I think that's it, Mr. Mime, Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, I wish, Mewtwo, Mew, I wish, Totodile, Durafig, Free. Holy crap, I wish I had them. Check on my PC. Damn it. No, my PC. Then I'm gonna go upstairs and heal. But now that I've got my Pokédex, that thing I've been trying to make for a long time, and I can finally go, I'm gonna go look for some more iron. And I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna send out my Charmeleon on, and I'm gonna see if that Flygon's still there. Probably not, but I really need that Flygon. I really want a flying type. Really? I just want to. Damn, I use Scary Face. I need to use Tackle. Level 22. Not. I said that it wasn't totally useless, but it was mostly useless. Trapinch. I'll try. Definitely changing Pokemon to you. So then I can use Ember. I don't use Dragon Rage because I could kill him. Just don't kill him. Okay, perfect. Damn it, change Pokemon to Ghastly. Pretty damn powerful. I only have one ball, damn it. I love ball. Probably not gonna work, but the dreaded wait. Oh, I caught it. Man. Okay, check my moves. Sand turn, face attack, sand attack, and bite. Pretty good moves. I need some more. Kind of. Look at the tiny center. I want to catch it. I want to catch it. Get away. Okay. So I've got 4 girls and 1 boy in Pokemon, so my Charmeleon's acting weak, looks weak against the rest of my Pokemon because apart from Mr. Mime's my weakest, but he's awesome. If I'm ever having a kids party, yeah, I can use Mr. Mime. Don't need to, and it's free, all I have to do is press 1 button. Pidgeotto. It sucks having to start from the top, but no, from the bottom. But it's actually, I'm going pretty damn good, in my opinion. If you think I'm going bad, well, that's your opinion. I think I'm going pretty good for what I'm usually. Get on Pokemon. Kadabra. I want to catch a food. Pidgeotto, too small to fly. Die. I could probably frog that. Let's go. Oh, whoa, we're dead. Especially, it sends out a Lapras. I have no chance. Why does the first Pokemon you choose have to be a Lapras? It is. This has to be a Lapras. It is. Dun, 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 dun. Pretty damn like Lapras if you ask me.